The virtual space of your e-store needs seamlessness, and managing your inventory can take a toll. Unless you ease your journey and avail Amazon by SetCommerce, where the settings section aids you with the inventory settings from product templates, which offers you a number of inventory features to help in managing Amazon listings in an effective way. As we know, Shopify gives you the option to continue under its inventory policy. When you select Continue, Shopify creates additional orders and keeps your listing live even when your inventory is out of stock. Where you find the following menu. Here you can set the maximum inventory limit. Once you select the Continue Selling When Out of Stock option on Shopify, your listing will be still live for selling. That is, avail it if you are not scared of overselling. Apart from the mentioned attribute, under Inventory Settings, you can set Fixed Inventory, where you set a fixed numeric value for the stock level of your products over the app. Set Reserve Inventory, where you can reserve a certain number of your products from getting listed on Amazon, especially for these sellers who are selling their products offline also. Threshold Inventory, where you can set a threshold value, that is a minimum limit amount for your products. So, when the limit is reached, your product is listed as out of stock on Amazon. Availing this can be helpful if you don't want to oversell. You can only operate this option for the Shopify inventory. Delete out of stock, where your listing gets automatically deleted from Amazon once it goes out of stock. So, now you see the possibilities with inventory settings? We hope this helps you. You can connect with us if you have any further questions. Have a hassle-free selling.